Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. I'm excited today, 7th of October 2024, my month of births. 4th of October was my birthday. 20th of October is my wife's birthday. 24th of October is my wedding anniversary. And this month of October is our company's 10th year anniversary. So Dubiss Forex Academy is 10 years, a whole decade of trading the global financial market and also training people on how to trade the global financial market. You need to give us thumbs up, okay? Guys, if this is your first time of joining analysis, please just turn on the notification button and just click that subscription button. Subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us on all social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube here where you are, and also on LinkedIn, TikTok. Look for Dubiss Forex Academy. You can also follow me, Chinedu Chikeze, on Facebook. And also, if you go to LinkedIn, you will see there Chinedu Chikeze, CEO Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, so let's trade and make money in the global financial market. I will start by showing you what happened last week in the global financial market, what happened with our analysis. Before then, please just open an account right now. If you don't have an account with our broker, FX Pro, please do that now. Use our link. Just go to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. You see the link there. All right, you see it on pin message. Just click on that link and register with our broker, FX Pro. In fact, I'm going to drop it on this video as well. For those of you that want to register from this video, you can see the link also from this video. Register with our broker FX Pro. Ensure you fund the account so that when you watch this analysis, you will trade and then you make money based on the direction we are giving you, how these instruments, financial instruments, the site we feel that they are going to move. All right, so let's start with XAUUSD, which is good. Good has been bullish and has been volatile for some time now, but last week it actually worked very well as we analyze. You can see this is the daily chart, so I'm going to go down to lower time frame. All right, so you can see it properly. You see, we told you, go and watch last week's video if you did not watch it. We told you that gold will move two directions, that it will first of all come down and then from there it will move up. Look at where we are last week. This is exactly where we are last week, and I told you that it will move down. In fact, it didn't move, just small little move, push up, and then it fired down. And I told you last week that what we are targeting is for gold to hit around 2625. So let's check whether gold touch 2625. I told you that gold, we have to move down, and we are looking at it touching 2625. So let's say 2625. All right, let's see exactly. Gold exactly touch 2625. Look at it, it kissed 2625, and from 2625 it went up. Let's measure. See, from where we are last week to 2625, this is 330 pips. Unfortunately, I didn't send the signal to our paid group, but those of us that watch this analysis actually traded and make money. I traded it, but I didn't send the signal, and that is why if you check our result last week, you will not see gold, because we didn't trade gold as a group. I didn't send the signal, but I asked them to watch the video so that they know what to do. All right, even those that bought from that 2625, which I said that it will reverse at 2625, probably to go and make another all-time high. Now let's see, this is over 400 pips, almost 500 pips. All right, it have not made another all-time high. All right, because this was all-time high we identified last week, which is 2685. Look at it, we highlighted and drop it, so it have not touched there. Then what are we expecting this week? Let me first of all say congratulations to those that took action last week on gold and traded gold based on analysis. Congrats. It moved down 330 pips, move up almost 500 pips. Now this week, this is where we are this week. Now this is where the price is, 2651. Today being Monday, all right, I'm expecting I will look for opportunity to sell gold. All right, it's already moved up, so I'll just look for opportunity to sell gold today. All right, so but this week we have CPI on Wednesday or so. Let's go to fundamentals. Let's just quickly go and do fundamental right now before we continue. So let's go to fundamental. Let's go to fundamental. All right, this is Forex Factory. This is what we usually like to use for our fundamental. This week, Monday, we are not seeing no major news, because what you need to focus is on red folders. So some person are always asking for signal. Sometimes when market is not moving, you don't send signal. When market is consolidating, you don't trade. Okay, it's not compulsory you must trade every day. So you wait for market to move, and then you now look for opportunity to trade. So as we speak now, Monday, no fundamental, no news. Tuesday, same thing, no red folder on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, there is official rates, cash rates. So there is cash rate for NZD, all right, and also Arabian Z, that is their interest rates, and also their rate statements. Okay, official cash rates, and then rate statements on Wednesday, and that will be Wednesday night. Let's say Wednesday morning for Nigerian time. All right, for some persons it may be their Tuesday, but for us on Wednesday, 2 a.m. on Wednesday, that is when this news will come out. So NZD pairs and AUD pairs will be volatile. Then that same Wednesday, we have FOMC meeting minutes. So we have minutes. FOMC minutes will be later in the day, which is 7 p.m. on Wednesday. So this will speak volume for gold. So we don't know how the minutes will go. So nobody knows how this. So it depends on how this will go before we know what to do. All right. Then for Thursday is when we have CPI. So these 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday, is what would really tell us if gold will eventually move up again to go and break the all-time high, or it will be sustained that this rally have ended. Because if we didn't break the all-time high and start to move down again, it means that the rally have paused for this period. Mind you, what's really fueling this gold movement, upward movement, is this fights, this unrest in the Middle East, the problem between Israel and Hamas, and also you see what happened in Lebanon, see all the fights and the bombing and all those stuff. So this is what is affecting gold. And that's why, even though we had a very good NFP last week, Friday, gold moved down, but it didn't fire very well down. GBP USD fired down very well. USD fired down very well. USCHF fired up very well, but gold just moved and then retrace again, and still ranging around 2650. That is where it's ranging between 2640, 2650 something, or 2660. That's where it's just ranging because of that unrest. So you can see the CPI. So it's based on the outcome of these fundamentals that will really give us the direction. All right, these fundamentals are going to play a very key role. Look at another fundamental. We have GDP for GBP. All right, for pounds. We have employment change and unemployment rate for CAD, Canadian dollar, and that will be on Friday. And then of course, core PPI news for and PPIM for US dollar. So these are the fundamentals. You look at the forecasted, look at the previous, and then wait for the actual. Actual will really give you what to do, the direction of the market. So we have actually shown you some fundamentals we're expecting. Focus on the red folders and then wait for the outcome to see what to do. So let's go back and then analyze some other pairs. So this is gold. Like I said, we'll look for opportunity to sell gold, okay, for today. So then as time progresses this week, we'll know what will happen and then the direction of the gold. So it's still consolidating. You can see it's still consolidating, moving within this range. Look at, if you put your control Y, you see how many days So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4 days now. It's still within this range. So it's just consolidating between this and then this is 60 something and this. So this is the range it has been consolidating for the last 4 days. All right, 4 to 5 days. One, if you count here, if you even count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days now. So let's see what will happen this week if we really break out from here or go and then give us new all-time high or go with flash down. So let's go to GBP USD. Awesome. Look at GBP USD have broken the, you can see our analysis, rising wedge we saw last week, and I told you from this point we started selling GBP USD, and I told you once this place is broken, highest we can see is a retest, and we'll see more down. Look at it, 300 something pips, 370 pips. Look at it, was broken on Thursday. That was even before Friday NFP. On Thursday it was broken, and then Friday it tried to go back and retest this. It didn't even retest very well, and then it still closed as bearish candle because Friday was NFP and we had good NFP. So today being Monday, 7th of October, it have continued a downward movement. So GBP USD, this bearish movement is really confirmed now. It has broken this rising wedge. So as we can see is just we see a movement like this. We can see price trying to retest this rising wedge, and then from there broken. So this is where we're expecting this price to get to. Let's program this is where we're expecting this price to get to. So take notes. This is the direction of GBP. We're expecting price to fall up to this point. So we still have enough pip to get to that point. It has moved 300 and something pips. We still have more than almost 270 pips to get to this point, or even close to 300 pips as well. That's what we're also looking at for GBP USD. Congratulations to those that took that trade. For Euro USD, same thing. We gave you this harmonic pattern, and I told you that a lot of things is telling us that Euro USD is to fall. Look at it. Look at where we highlighted this liquidity zone here. We told you that price most likely is going to respect it, and we are also seeing harmonic pattern appearing at very close to the liquidity zone, and I told you that price will fall. Highest it will do is just to touch, mitigate here, touch it, and it will fall. You can see that price have respected our analysis and fall based on analysis as we analyze it for. So this is over 250 pips from Euro USD. So most time, let me tell you, when markets want to really play out, sometimes it will stay, it will play with your emotions, it will consolidate, it will just do as if it wants to go up. Look at the first time it got here, it fall. We saw this time, it went back up again, we still entered again. So many persons didn't enter again when it went back here, and eventually it has fall. So this is how these things plays with our emotions. Congratulations to those that took that trade. So what are we expecting? Let's see. Let's first measure and see if the movement, let's go from the last low to this high and see where the retracement is right now. So it's very close to 50.0. So remember when I draw this, we are still expecting this price to get to around 61.8. So Euro USD most likely will move down, more downward movement. At least we're expecting price to get to 61.8. all right, where it is now is still a key level around 50.0. So trade with care. All right, for those of you that want to get new entry point, you need to wait small to see the retracement up before price will continue to go down. All right, so let's go to Euro GBP. Euro GBP have also worked out very well as analyzed. Remember that Euro GBP, we were looking for opportunity to buy Euro GBP, when price got to this point, look at it, when price got to our key level, which is accumulation zone, right? Distribution zone, no, accumulation zone, yeah, or demand zone, all right? You can see it here. Look at it. Let me shrink it for you to see. So price mitigate there, and we told you that we're expecting price to rise, and it's already rising. This was sent to our paid group, and we made 100 pips. Yes, we made 100 pips from the signal that was sent, because we started buying around this point 0.8230, right? Yes. So this is 100 pips. So we have made 100 pips from Euro GBP. So we are still expecting price, because we are targeting to make 250 pips. So today, even today, I entered a new position when I see that it tried to retrace to retest here, and you can see price already rising. So this trade, we are still expecting this trade to move at least up to 250 pips. So congratulations to those that took that trade. You can see NZD-USD. That's why I told you that I'm just excited this morning, because analysis last week was spot on. Look at NZD-USD, how it plays out. It played out, and it's still playing. Look at it from this our distribution zone, which is supply zone. We have 200 pips already from NZD-USD. All right, so you can see that it has broke this particular one back, and what we're expecting is price to continue to move down. Look at the one we dropped last week, and it has moved. We're expecting price, highest price we just do here is just to do something like this, and then bagam. So this is where we're expecting the price to get to. This is the direction. So follow the direction, get to our entry point, and then let's move. Congratulations once again to those that took this trade. We made over 200 pips. We made up to 200. We made 200 pips, yes, from the signal we sent to the group. We made 200 pips right now. You can see where the price is now. So any little push up gets your entry point, and then let's sell NZD-USD. Then USD card. USD card exactly from the point we highlighted. Look at, remember we highlighted here. I told you until this place is broken before you go down here, before you come down here. Yeah, there's another zone here. Look at it. There's another zone here, and until this point is broken, which is here, before price will come down here. Look at when you go here, you see the prices. Let me be dropping the price for you to see exactly price we are talking about. 1.3432, around 1.3430, right? Once 1.3430 is broken, retested, before we see movement downwards. As it is back and very close to, price is also very close to the key level, which is around 1.360, right? 1.3603610 is another key level. But until 1.361 or 360 is broken, retested, that's when we can see any meaningful move, more upward movement. But from the look of things, we can expect price to move further up, to break this point and move up, to go up to this point, to come and test this high here. Congratulations to those that took the trade. Let's see how many pips also that this made. This is over 150 pips also. Wow, awesome. Then GBCHF, we didn't really, because price have already moved, we didn't take this trade. All right, so these retracements, we are still seeing price to continue to move upward. You can see that it got here, it was rejected from here. So this week could still see price now move up, then to this point, and then getting up to this point. So USD-CHF, awesome. This also played out well. Remember, we're buying USD-CHF. There's a pattern. So if you're buying, you can actually either partial close or close your entry or close your trade, because it has already made good profits. And we have several signal we sent. We had about 4 on different days anyway, because price was just consolidating for a long time. So when it move up, come down, we re-enter. So these are 200 pips from this point. It went up, come down again, we enter. So at the moment, we have made good profit from USD CHF. So price could just retrace and then continue to move up. All right, that is it for USD CHF, because this place is being respected. So this rally now, you can see harmonic patterns that have appeared. It could actually still move up even up to here before price will retrace, but at the moment it's trying to retrace. So I've already closed my position on USD CHF, waiting for new entry points to buy USD CHF. So Euro AUD, if you go to daily time frame for Euro AUD, you will see that we, at this point, last week we told you that price could just go down. Look at where the price was. We told you that price could come down from this point and then move. Look at what we drew last week. Let me open it more. So look at it. We told you that price could come down and then from there price move up, and it come down to touch, mitigate our entry point, which is around 1.600. Yeah, that was where we started buying Euro AUD, and at the moment now we have made over 100 pips. I think it's about 150 pips now. That's the movement now. Yeah, look at it, almost 100, and this is 140 pips. So but we have actually closed 100 pips from the signal we sent to the group. Remember, we give you the direction. If you want entry points, you need to join our paid group. You need to reach me at Dubiss1 on Telegram. Dubiss is DUBISS. Then you pay for signal. We'll be giving you entry and exit point. But you can actually watch this video and then use it and then know the direction, and then you can enter based on the analysis we are giving you. Look at GBP JPY. GBP JPY is making money for us, giving us a good amount of money. We sent the signal this morning. Last week we sold this pair and we made 250 pips. We entered again. Second trade we sent on this just went and hit our stop loss. After hitting our stop loss, it fired down, and that was last week. This didn't pain me. This is the first time we sold that last week. From here, it went more than 250 pips. When it came up again around this point, we entered and we pushed up, hit our stop loss. After hitting our stop loss, it fly down and fly down more than 200 pips. So today we have entered, and our trade have already hit TP2 and is also still going to TP3. I've already partial closed most of my position for this trade, and I'm still very much on it right now because it's going to TP3. It may even hit our TP4 and TP5. This trade most likely today will hit our TP5. That is GBP JPY. So you can enter this trade if you see it early, but it has already moved. We already made 100 pips, but this trade will still move down more. Then Euro NZD. We had 2 scenarios last week. I told you that price could, from here, we identified here that price could move up from here, or most likely another idea is that it could break here, then come down to this major distribution, demand zone, and then move from here. Unfortunately for some people, including me, I didn't really took this trade. Since I took Euro AUD, I said let me not take the 2 at the same time, risking high. Let me wait if this will move down, and if you move down, that my Euro AUD will hit stop loss. Because if you move down, this is up to 100 pips, because this is daily time frame. Let's see if it's up to 100 pips. Okay, yes, 100 pips. So I was saying, if I enter here, because if I enter here, I'm going to use 100 pips. So I felt that the Euro AUD was more pronounced, because that one was really sitting. Look at it, Euro AUD. Let me show you again. This is Euro AUD. It was really sitting on a support already, a strong support, which is our demand zone. So with that, I left Euro NZ. I didn't take Euro NZ. For those of you that took it based on my analysis, it took the first entry, which is around here. This is over 350 pips. Chai! Congratulations. It's well. I missed this particular one. I didn't take it. But congratulations to those that watched my video and you took that trade. All right. So USD-JPY. Remember last week we told you it was this harmonic pattern that was playing out. But as last week, it was already very close to this very place. I said the harmonic have already played out, so I wouldn't get entry points there. There's no entry point there, but I told you that price will still continue to move up for me, and it actually moved more further up, but I didn't take it. But congratulations to those that took the trade. All right, so where it is right now, you can see that there is a level here. Let me just highlight and show you. There's a level here. It could be respected and then price fall. But once here is broken, we see price move further up. So GBP AUD also played out based on this harmonic. Last week I showed you this harmonic. I said it will buy from this harmonic and import. Let's see how many pips it moved. GBP AUD moved over close to 200 pips. Wow, congrats to those that took the trade. Look at Euro card. Remember last week I still tell you sell Euro card. All right, we started selling from these points, these harmonic patterns, and let's measure only last week on. When it retraced last week and then gave us this is 1 2 3 4 5. So as of last week it was moving back to up. I said okay, for those of you, let's say you did not take because you saw it moving. For those that took from this entry point, this is how many pips? This is about 280 pips. Now for those that are conservative, that waited for this price to close, which is a rejection candle, giving you another entry point. Let's see, this is about 200 pips. So it's a good one. This has played out, but we could see price move down more for this. You know, today euro is somehow strong, so we could see price move down more. We are waiting for here for it to break here. It broke it and it's retesting it. So if you retest it and it hold, then it will go down more. Finally, GBP card. You can see how GBP card also played very well. We were here last week. I told you the highest it will go back just to touch here, and once you touch here, you go down. And remember, we're on this trade. So let's see how many pips we made. Over 200 pips. Yeah, we made around 200 pips from GBP card. Let's see. This is 400 pips. Awesome. But because we didn't start from this point, we started selling here, so we made good profit, over 200 pips. So those of you that watched the video, you see that it touched our trend line. Look at when we identified it. This also looks like rising wedge. Look at the trend line here. Look at the trend line we identified. So from this trend line, price got there and respected it. So price will go down. So probably until this trend line here, second one here, can see. So but once this rising wedge is broken, then we could see price move more downward, and that is for GBP card. So congratulations to those that took this trade. You see, the analysis works. It's really working based on how we analyze. So I want to appreciate you all for joining us in this week analysis. Okay, you can see how previous ones works. So just look at the direction we have told you that price will most likely go. So all you need to do, if you have missed the entry point, you wait for a retest. You go to lower time frame, and then once you see a price action, and then you get into the trade. If you don't know how to read price action, then you need to join our academy, Dubiss Forex Academy. Reach me at Dubiss1 to join our academy. Thank you for watching. We don't want to be staying long on this video. Last week we have been doing 20 something minutes, but this one is almost 30 minutes. I want to end here. Ensure you join our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, YouTube channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, all the social media handle, Facebook, and celebrate with us. We are coming to Umuahia, we are coming to Enugu. We are also going to have big program here in Port Harcourt. Make sure you join us. All these weekends will be in Port Harcourt. We'll be in Umuahia this weekend. All right. Then next weekend we'll be in Enugu, and then next 2 weekends that will be Port Harcourt time. Follow us, you see all the dates and everything. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers, guys.